Welcome to a behind-the-scenes look at a typical day in the life of a freelance designer. Whether you're considering a career in freelance design or are just curious about the daily routine, this video will give you an insight into the balance of creativity, client communication, and time management that defines the freelance lifestyle. Morning routine. 7 a.m., start the day. Begin with a healthy breakfast and some light exercise to kickstart creativity. Many freelance designers find that a morning walk or yoga helps clear the mind and prepare for the day's tasks. 8 a.m., review the day's schedule, spend the first hour planning the day. Check emails, review the to-do list, and prioritize tasks based on deadlines and project importance. Creative work. 9 a.m., deep work session. The morning is often the best time for focused, uninterrupted work. Start with the most challenging design tasks, whether it's drafting initial concepts, refining a logo, or working on a website layout. Tools like Adobe Creative Suite or Figma are commonly used during this time. 11 a.m., client check-ins. After a solid work session, take some time to check in with clients. Send updates, gather feedback, and adjust designs based on their input. Midday break. 12:30 p.m. lunch and inspiration. Take a break for lunch and step away from the screen. Some designers use this time to find inspiration, whether through a quick browse on Pinterest, reading design blogs, or exploring new creative trends. Afternoon routine. 1:30 p.m. collaborative work. The afternoon is often reserved for collaborative projects. This could involve working with other freelancers, attending virtual meetings, or participating in online design communities. 3 p.m. revisions and final touches. Use the later part of the afternoon to work on revisions, polish designs, and ensure that all projects meet client expectations. This is also the time to prepare files for delivery or present final designs. Evening wrap-up. 5 p.m. administrative tasks. Before closing the workday, handle administrative duties such as invoicing, organizing files, and updating your portfolio. It's also a good time to plan for the next day. 6 p.m. log off and unwind, end the day with some relaxation. Whether it's spending time with family, engaging in a hobby, or just unwinding with a good book, it's important to recharge for the next day. And that wraps up a typical day in the life of a freelance designer. Freelancing offers flexibility and creative freedom, but it also requires discipline and time management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to CyberTheo for more insights into the freelance world and creative industry.